Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys hotspot full setting, how to set up mobile hotspot on Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, your mobile hotspot. So friends, how to set up one by one, step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go ahead subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So once on your Infinix mobile, click here hotspot setting. Then once click here Wi-Fi hotspot setting. After get Wi-Fi hotspot setting, once you can see personal hotspot setting. So once you want to on your personal hotspot, your Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can on and you can use. Friends, click here hotspot setting. First of all, friends, you can check your hotspot device name here, and friends, you want to rename your Infinix mobile hotspot device name, so you can rename. So friends, I will rename into mobile Infinix. So friends, I will rename it to mobile Infinix. Sorry, Infinix and done. And friends, second, you can check your Infinix mobile hotspot password. Friends, you want to change this password, so select password. You want to copy, so you can copy this password. Cut here, and friends, I will use new password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And guys, your password should 8 digit. If you guys 7 digit, friends, you can check. We cannot change hotspot password. So after enter 8, okay, say hotspot setting guys, your device name and your hotspot password will change on your Infinix mobile. Then share option, you want to share guys your mobile network, your mobile hotspot, so you can share from here. Then one time data limit, hotspot data limit friends you want to on, so you can turn on from here, and you can set data limit from here. So when click here, enter your data limit like 1 GB, 2 GB, 1 MB, 2 MB, 10 MB, 100 MB, 200 MB. Friends, I will enter 450 MB, GB and MB. Friends, you can select save here guys. Data limit will set on your device, and you don't want to use data limit setting, you can turn off one time data limit setting. And friends, you can see turn off hotspot automatically when no device are connected. So friends, you want to use your hotspot automatic turn off setting, so you can on and you can use, and you don't want to use, so you can off. And personal hotspot guys, if you off, so share option will remove from here, you cannot share your mobile hotspot. So like that friends, we can set up, we can use personal hotspot setting on Infinix mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.